Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can insert a signature in WPS Office Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my blank document in WPS Office, and if you want to create a signature, we need to go to the sign menu here, and then you're going to click on this option, click to create, and here you will have three options guys. You can add input here, or you can insert image. And let's try this one. I'm going to insert a signature from my device. Wait, I'm still looking for it. Okay, this one. Click on open and the signature will be inserted, and just click on OK. Alright, and I'm going to place it here, and you can zoom in or zoom out like this. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to the signature or the sign. Okay, and I'm going to remove this one. I'm going to click to create, and I'm going to try to draw my signature just like this and click on OK. Actually you can customize the thickness here and also the color, but I'm just going to leave it like that and click on OK. Okay, place it here, and I'm going to zoom in. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add signature in WPS Office Word. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!